Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will make MS slotted link with the NX Siemens CAD software. So if you are ready to open the NX Siemens, so you can see in this area, and then you must click new. After click new, you choose the model and give the name of the part that you will be draw. The name of part is 3.80 ms slotted link, and then you can click OK. After click OK, you choose this sketch. After that, you choose this. Okay, before I sketch on my NX Siemens software, I will define this is the American projection. So this is from front, for front view. Okay, something like this. So I will make the view from the top, from this. I will start from this circle, and also make this circle, and I will give the line like this, and then I will extrude. Okay, I will minimize this picture. So I will try again to choose the sketch, click on here, and then click OK. After click OK, you click in this circle starting from this point, and then like this, from this point again, something like this. Okay, after that I will give the dimension. For the inner diameter is 32 and the outer diameter is 56. Okay, I will choose this rapid dimension, click this circle and give the dimension. Dimension is 56. I will click twice and then 56, enter on their keyboard. Okay, I will click this close, and then I click rapid dimension again, click this circle and define the dimension. The dimension is 32. Double click and then click on your keyboard 3, 2 and enter. After that I will click close. I will make the trimetric view like this, and then I choose this circle again, and I will make on this area something like this, and then I will choose the rapid dimension. The dimension is same like this. Select this and give the dimension 56 and enter. After that I will click close, click here, and I choose this top view. Okay, something like this, and then you must give the dimension from this to this is 44 and 56. I will choose this rapid dimension, click in this point to this point, 56 plus 44, 44, enter, and then I will click close, and then I will make this line. Okay, select this line from here to here, from here to here, right click and OK. I will choose this line and this circle and select this tangent. Also for this select this line, select line, select this circle, and then select tangent. Also for this, select this line, select this circle, and then you must choose this tangent. Select this circle, select this line and this circle, select this circle and this, and okay, Control Z. Okay, this line is already tangent, so I will cut this line. I will use this quick trim. Click quick trim and then click this line, click this line also, this line and this line. Also I will delete this circle from the radius. Okay, I will close. After close, I will go into the trimetric view or isometric view, something like this, and then going to finish sketch. I will choose the extrude. Okay, for the extrude, I will give the dimension is 38 plus 10 plus 10, something like this. Okay, I will select this, and starting value from the symmetric value. Okay, I will give the dimension 10 plus 38 plus 10, like this. Oh, cannot. So, okay, you must change this dimension. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 38 divided by 2, 38 divided by 2 is 19. Okay, give the 19, and then this is 5. Okay, I will apply and then click cancel. Okay, from this I will make extrude again. Click extrude, click this and this. Okay, cannot be extrude, so I will sketch again. Select this sketch and select this plane and click OK. After that, I will going to project curve. Select this and this. OK for this also, and then click OK. After that, cancel, and then I will choose this quick trim this and click close. Okay, I will change the isometric view, something like this, and then finish. Going to the extrude, I will choose this for arcs, and then I will give the symmetric value. After give the symmetric value, you can change like this, and then choose the polygon is unit. After that, you must define the dimension. The dimension is 38 divided by 2, and then enter. After that, you must click apply and then cancel, something like this. Okay, also I will make this slot. So I will select this sketch, select this view, and then click OK. After that, you must click this circle from this to this, and then you select this line, sketch like this, make sketch like this. Okay, right click and then click OK. After that, you must tangent for this line to this circle. select this line, select this circle, sorry, we try again, select this line, select this circle, and then click tangent. Also for this, select this line to this circle, select this circle and this line, and then click tangent. Also for this, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then tangent. Okay, this is not ready to tangent. You must select this circle and this line and then click tangent. After that, you must define the dimension. The dimension is 25. Okay, click rapid dimension, click this to this, and then click 25 on your keyboard and then enter. After that, you must close. Okay, after that, you select quick trim, select this line, cut this line, this line, this line also, and this line, so this line. Okay, I will make the distance from this to this is 44, like this. Okay, click rapid dimension, from this to this is 44, and then okay, I will close. Okay, I will make this line, I will make line, click line from this to this, and then okay, sorry, you must make vertical. Select this to this and then click coincident. After click coincident, click this line, right click, and then convert to reference. After convert to reference, you must define the dimension from this to this. The distance is 56. Okay, click rapid dimension from this to this is 56, and then enter, and then close. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained, so this is already to extrude cut. Select finish sketch, and then you must going to this isometric view. After that, you click the extrude, select this line, and then you can change the direction to the bottom, and then from the boolean you must click the subtract command, and then you click apply. Okay, your hole or slot is already made. So I will make this radius. The radius is 6. So to make this radius, you must choose this H-plane, and then you can fill the value of your radius. Click 6 on your keyboard like this, and then enter. Click this edge, so I will rotate this view and then select this. Okay, you can see the radius is already make it, so click apply on here and then cancel on here. I will select this isometric view, and then I will hide this sketch. Click this sketch, just the sketch, and then click here, hide. Also, to make the hide automatically, you can choose the view, and then you choose or select this show and hide, and then you select this sketch, and then I will hide this datum, select this, and then click close. Okay, after that I will change the color of this part. So you can going to the render, going to true setting, and then you change the object materials or global material brush. Okay, I will select this, and my viewer usually use this color. Okay, something like this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to support this. To support this channel, you must click subscribe, like, and comment. And the important is you must share to your friend and your brothers or sister to study this NX Siemens software, because the NX Siemens software is will be used in the manufacturing company, something like PT1 Who Industries Indonesia and another automotive company. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you for watching my video.